Google hasn't made any official statements, but there are indications that the tech giant is developing a folding device that might launch alongside the Pixel 8. However, there isn't a lot of information available about this device, and some of it is contradictory. It appears that the Pixel's Fold, or whatever the final name will be, is still in its infancy. Nevertheless, we do have some useful information regarding the folding device that you have all been anticipating. And we'll cover everything you need to know in this movie. Therefore, let's begin. There have been two possible sightings of Google's upcoming device, but one of them appears to be more credible than the other. The less reliable leak came in the form of blurry images, posted by an anonymous Redditor, who claimed that a Google employee was using the device on a train in New York. However, due to the low quality of the pictures, it's hard to discern any significant details, or confirm their authenticity. We have more evidence of the upcoming device, and this time it's not a low-quality image. Leaker Kuba Wojciechowski, who has been known for sharing information about the Fold, including its specifications, posted a brief video of the device on his Twitter account. The device in the leaked video appears to be the Pixel Fold, featuring a distinctive camera bar on the back of the phone, which matches previous rumors. Furthermore, the video confirmed that the device will have a horizontal aspect ratio for its craze, distinguishing it from Samsung's current default design approach. Now, let's talk about the design. Back in November 2022, Jon Prosser of Front Page Take debuted an official renders, showcasing a design that the upcoming Pixel Fold might come with. The design of the Pixel Fold, especially the camera bar at the back, strongly suggests that it will be released as part of the current Google design generation. Although there is a chance that process renders may contain inaccuracies, his previous accurate depiction of the Pixel Watch design months before its official announcement lends some credibility to these images. Based on the rumors, it's anticipated that the exterior of the Google Pixel Fold will resemble the Google Pixel 7 Pro, albeit with a thicker form factor, and will have a folding mechanism, similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, that will reveal a larger interior display. However, unlike the Galaxy Z Fold 4, the Pixel Fold may feature a shorter, but wider external display, which will give it a similar appearance to the Oppo Find, and reports indicate that the Google Pixel Fold is likely to feature a high-quality display, sourced from Samsung, specifically the next-generation M13 material from Samsung Display. Interestingly, the Pixel Fold could beat Samsung to the punch by using this new technology, before it appears in the upcoming Galaxy's Z Fold 5. It's worth noting that, while the advantages of M13 over the previous M12 material are not yet clear, the use of newer technology is generally seen as a positive development. In contrast, rumors suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will stick with the M12 technology already used in the Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 from last year. Not just that, recently Ice Universe posted two photos on his Twitter, saying Pixel's Fold will have the widest screen in the world, and the default 5 will have the narrowest screen in the world. According to a leak from YouTuber Dave2D, Google is reportedly planning to use a teardrop hinge for its upcoming foldable device, which is similar to the hinge used by Oppo on its Find N series. This is different from the hedge design that Samsung has been using for all 4 generations of the Galaxy Z Fold. The rumors suggest that Samsung may also adopt this technology for the upcoming Galaxy's Z Fold 5. One of the advantages of the teardrop hinge is that it allows the device to fold completely flat, without any gaps that can attract dirt or debris. This is because the hinge mechanism is designed in a way that eliminates any gaps when the device is folded. In conclusion, the Google Pixel Fold is one of the most highly anticipated foldable devices of the year, and rumors suggests that it may offer some unique features and design choices that set it apart from the competition. From the leaked video by Kuba Wojciechowski to the renders by Jon Prosser, there is mounting evidence that the Pixel's Fold will be released soon. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.